Welcome to Information Processing 2100, Topic 2.1, Producing a Title Page. Now that title page is going to vary from software package to software package. If we are using Google Docs, then what we want to do is pick a title format. We'll use the title Book for INF2100. And to make it a title page, we probably want to have that title centered. And then underneath it, it's gone to normal text, but still centered. We want the author's name. We'll use the name of our fictional student who owns this account. We'll go back to our left justification. And now if this is the only page, we want that text centered on the page. So first, Control-Enter, as we learned in previous courses. We'll do a hard page break. And now for this, we want to format our alignment and spacing to try and get this centered in the page. As we're looking at our align and indent options, nothing seems to be jumping out. Well, that is because in Google Docs, we don't actually have the option to center things vertically on a page. So here's what we do instead. We're going to insert a table that has one cell. We're going to stretch that cell out to occupy the entire page. And now, when we apply our title, with our author, we could use the same option to center it here. But now we can go Format, Table, Table Properties. Alignment, we do the vertical cell alignment in the middle. And then finally in our colors, we take our table border and make it white, or just make it 0 point. Because a 0 point border is still invisible, it has no width. So we've made our title page by putting in one giant cell in a table and put our book title and author in there. Oh, and let's spell the author's name right. And yes, I hope people who own the rights to the fictional character Donald Blake appreciate that this is a character who does not exist. So, this is how we do it in Google Docs. Word, it's a little bit different. So we'll create a new blank document in Word. So now, again, we will put in our titles. So in our Word document, we will add our title and our author again. Once we have it written, we will select our text, go to our Style Painter, and pick Title. And again, we can center these. But now we also need to center this text vertically. Now, if you have the downloadable app version of Microsoft Word, then you can go to Layout, and in the Page Setup section, you'll have a couple of more options. You'll have one of these buttons to break out a dialog box, and that will allow you to center things vertically. We don't have that option in the online version. So we could do the same trick we did with Word or with Google Docs and insert it in a one-cell table. And that will get our title page to format correctly in Word. Now, in our third option, that's our LaTeX option, we have the first line that says we're making a book. This is something that Overleaf does automatically. It's optional in other sources. And Overleaf also populates the title based on the title you created with the project, the author based on your account, and the date as the day, month, and year that you started the project. You can remove any of these if you want, but to create a title page you're going to want, but you don't necessarily want a date on them. You often want it to be there. A % will comment out that line so it's ignored, or you could simply delete it. If we do so, then when we're in the document, to make the title page, we have this command, make title, which Overleaf does automatically. When we recompile, it appears here. Notice that we deleted the date, and now it has exactly today's date there. If you want no date to appear, you still have that date command, but the brackets that look for information are left blank. So this will have the title page we're looking for, and all we need to do for formatting here is give it the information it asks for, which Overleaf populates automatically, and then have make title appear in the body of the document itself. So the actual document appears between the begin and end document tags. Trust me, once you get used to LaTeX, that makes it much easier. Make title gives you your title page, and you're done.